Hello guys, my name is Abiodun James. We're live at Adura Lagos, Nigeria. As you can see, this is television standing. You can see this is small television standing for the small living room. As you can see, the installation is in progress. It is residential apartment. You can see we cover the chairs and the shelf. Installation is in progress. You can contact us on 08063098718. You can see this is the design, and then we have done the screening. You can see the innovation is in progress. As you can see,
simple and unique.
They tell you very simple and unique. Like you said, it's very simple and unique. When you see it, when we are done with it, you see the finishing. It's by design. Like I said, it's a residential house, so the work is in progress. You can see we have done the wiring. You can see this is 1.5 mm Coleman. You can see this original cable. When you want to install television standing, you have to use the original cable for conduit, because it is conduit. When you use the fake wire, when it's packed, you can't remove it again. You will break. You have to break off. So that's why you use original cable for the TV stand. As you can see, you can contact us once again on 08063098718. When we are done, we definitely update you. Thank you. Please share. Let the whole world to see it. Let the whole world to see it. Let the whole world to see it. Thank you. God bless you.